Most drawing tablets sold today are chunky, laggy plastic curios that won't survive a month of daily sketching. Pick wrong and you're stuck with wasted money and months of frustration. But do you really know which tablet pairs best with your favorite brushes and apps? This video breaks down the top options so you can pick with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drawing tablets that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Wacom Intuos Small. Designed for beginners and students, this compact tablet invites new artists to explore digital drawing without overwhelming complexity or costs. Its modest dimensions and sturdy plastic shell deliver portable usability while maintaining respectable rigidity for on-the-go illustration sessions. Wacom's EMR technology provides a pen-like experience with battery-free operation, ensuring instant responsiveness and low maintenance for long drawing sessions. Included software and online training elevate value, letting newcomers access creative tools and tutorials without purchasing additional licenses or subscriptions. The tablet works with Mac, Windows, Chromebook, and select Android devices, offering broad compatibility for diverse workflows and classroom environments. Compared to the Wacom Intuos Pro, this compact model sacrifices express keys for a friendlier price point and lighter travel-ready profile. The pros include compact build for travel, affordability for students, and battery-free precision across everyday tasks. The cons include limited express keys, and the lack of a built-in display may slow workflow for some professionals. With 128 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, the Intuos Small delivers reliable line weight and natural pen feel. In practical testing, the pen tracks smoothly with minimal parallax and consistently responsive performance across various software suites. For students and hobbyists, the Intuos Small provides an approachable entry point without sacrificing essential drawing controls at home. Setup is straightforward, and Chromebook and Android compatibility allow immediate use for education, freelancing, or entertainment drawing projects. The compact footprint measures a comfortable width and depth with a lightweight profile that fits neatly beside a laptop for travel. You get 4 customizable express keys that can be mapped to common actions, speeding up workflow. At number 4, we have the HUION H640p. From the first impression, this compact tablet feels purpose-built for artists who value portability, quick shortcuts, and intuitive beginner-friendly use. The design achieves a slim half-inch thickness and a sturdy, reassuring chassis that balances durability with easy handling during travel. The included battery-free stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, delivering natural line variation and precise control. 6 easily accessible hotkeys can be customized with HUION drivers, enabling smoother workflows across different applications and creative tasks. The 6x4-inch working area is compact yet functional, designed to fit into small desks or mobile setups effortlessly. The tablet works with Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android, broadening its appeal to students, professionals, and educators seeking versatile cross-platform support. Left-handed users appreciate the adapter-free configuration, while iOS compatibility remains unsupported, guiding buyers toward Android and desktop ecosystems. As a mouse replacement, this drawing tablet offers a natural alternative for precision tasks, reducing wrist strain through more natural hand movements. It integrates smoothly with Photoshop, Clip Studio, Metabang Paint, and OneNote, supporting education software and remote work tools like Zoom and Whiteboard. In practical use, the PW100 stylus delivers consistent pressure response with minimal parallax, ensuring confident strokes on digital canvases across sessions. With a lightweight profile and durable chassis, the HUION Inspiroy H640p remains cool during long draws, preserving performance and maintaining consistent pen feel. Compared to the Wacom Intuos, the HUION H640p offers compact footprint and a battery-free stylus, yet fewer keys. The pros include compact design for travel, a battery-free stylus with precise control, and 6 highly useful shortcut keys. The cons include limited iOS support, occasional driver setup hurdles, and a comparatively small active area impacting larger projects. At number 3, we have the XPPen Artist13.3 Pro. From the moment you unbox it, the display quality and pen feel telegraph a device designed for professional artists and serious hobbyists alike. The built-in tilt recognition supports up to 60 degrees, enabling natural shading without constant brush direction adjustments in compatible software. The display offers a wide color gamut with 88% NTSC and a 178-degree viewing angle. The red dial and 8 customizable shortcut keys streamline workflows, letting you zoom, adjust brush size, and flip the canvas with ease. With broad compatibility across Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Linux, it smoothly runs Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, and Blender. The fully laminated screen minimizes parallax, creating a distraction-free workspace where pen contact aligns precisely with the cursor across the display. The battery-free stylus delivers consistent pressure sensitivity without charging downtime, preserving balance, and reducing cable clutter during long drawing sessions. The kit includes a multifunctional pen case that doubles as a stand, 8 replacement nibs, and ergonomic pen design for comfort. In practical use, the pen tracked accurately with minimal parallax and lag, delivering consistent pressure response across thick and thin strokes. Shading and textured brush strokes felt smooth thanks to tilt and anti-parallax. Color accuracy remained stable across typical lighting. Compared with a popular Wacom alternative, the Artist13.3 Pro offers a larger screen, broader color gamut, and tilt. The pros include a fully laminated screen that reduces parallax, a responsive 60-degree tilt, and a battery-free stylus that enhances comfort. The cons include a higher price point and the necessity of a computer connection, which may limit portability for some creators. At number 2, we have the HUION Kamvas. For creatives who value a spacious drawing area and flexible shortcuts, this tablet targets students, hobbyists, and professionals seeking efficient workflow. Construction leans on a premium brushed aluminum shell with a slim 10mm profile, delivering durability without sacrificing daily portability. Tilt sensing with the PW100 stylus enables precise line variation up to 60 degrees, replicating natural pen pressure and gesture throughout strokes. The device features 12 programmable press keys along with 16 soft keys, empowering users to tailor shortcuts for tools like erase and zoom. Compatibility covers Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, Android 6 or later, and Linux Ubuntu, with Wayland not supported. You can connect your phone via OTG to use the tablet on the go, but iPhone and iPad compatibility are not available. Symmetrical design makes it comfortable for both left and right-handed users, with the driver enabling 180-degree rotation. In practical testing, the PW100 offers low latency and reliable pressure response across apps, delivering smooth strokes with consistent sensitivity. During extended sessions, the tablet remains cool and comfortable while maintaining responsive input across large canvases without noticeable lag. Compared to the Wacom One, this HUION offers a larger active area and more programmable keys for efficient workflows. The pros include premium brushed aluminum shell, a large 10x6.25-inch working area, and a battery-free PW100 stylus with tilt. The cons include no iOS access and Linux driver quirks that can complicate initial setup for some users. Symmetrical design suits both left and right-handed artists, while the large 10x6.25-inch area supports broad strokes. Overall value comes from a generous working area, solid build, and compatibility, making the HUION H1060P appealing. At number 1, we have the HUION Kamvas 13 Gen 3. Initial impressions place HUION Kamvas 13 Gen 3 as a portable yet capable creative canvas ideal for students and traveling professionals. Designed for artists, designers, and illustrators who require accurate color, natural pen feel, and reliable performance across platforms. Build quality uses a sturdy brushed metal frame and a fully laminated 13.3-inch display with anti-sparkle glass. Advanced PenTech 4.0 yields 16,384 pressure levels and 2 GIAF for precise drawing. 3 customized pen side buttons and 2 GIAF maintain precise tracking, while a responsive nib proves comfortable during extended sessions. A USB-C single cable connects cleanly to modern devices, while 5 shortcut keys and dual dial buttons streamline creative workflows. The adjustable stand ST300 enables comfortable work at diverse angles, reducing neck strain and fatigue during long sculpting sessions. It supports Windows 10 or newer, macOS 10.12 or newer, Android with USB 3.1 GEN1, and Linux. A factory calibration report ensures color stability with delta E under 1.5 and 99% sRGB. Real-world testing confirms smooth pen response, stable color output, and reliable performance across popular design apps during extended sessions. For portrait work and concept art, the combination of color accuracy and pen precision translates into dependable outcomes across complex compositions. Portability comes without sacrificing performance thanks to USB-C single cable and minimal clutter when connected to laptops or desktop. Compared with XPPen Artist13.3 Pro, HUION Kamvas Gen 3 offers color accuracy, a more flexible stand, and refined pen feel. The pros include excellent color accuracy, compact portable design, and versatile shortcuts. The cons include higher price and the necessity of a computer connection to operate.